Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The OMG network is a decentralized installment network that utilizes a sidechain engineering to bunch a few exchanges off-chain into a clump, which can then be checked as a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG network, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to large number of exchanges each second, TPS, rather than the 10 to 14 TPS Ethereum 1.0 is as of now able to do. The organization depends on an original scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, created by AmiseGo, an auxiliary of Amise. What is OMG network? OMG network is a non-custodial, Layer 2 scaling arrangement worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It is intended to permit clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens essentially quicker and less expensive than while executing straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG network is decentralized and empowers quick, minimal expense exchanges in any resource. The local badge of the OMG network is classified OMG. OMG tokens are utilized to pay exchange charges on the OMG network. Later on, OMG tokens will likewise be stackable, and that implies that holders of the tokens can acquire compensations for assisting with getting the organization. OMG network was previously known as AmiseGo. It was established in 2017 by Jun Hasegawa and Donnie Haransit. The organization is situated in Bangkok, Thailand. In 2018, it was obtained by Amise, a main Southeast Asian installments organization. OMG price history. The OMG token was first recorded on cryptographic money trades in July 2017, and its cost immediately rose to a pinnacle of $12.51 on September 7, 2017. Be that as it may, the cost then, at that point, encountered a remedy, arriving at a neighborhood low of $5.52 toward the beginning of November. Following this, during the crypto market's bull run in November to December 2017, the cost of OMG took off to its untouched high of $32.29 on January 8, 2018. From that point forward, the cost of OMG has changed somewhat consistently between around $1 and $4. On February 15, 2018, Amise declared that it had collaborated with Shinhan Bank, one of South Korea's biggest banks, to send off an experimental run program testing blockchain innovation for cross-line cash moves. This news ignited restored interest in the OMG token and brought about a critical cost increment throughout the next days. AmiseGo is intended to empower ongoing, shared esteem trade and installment administrations across wards and hierarchical storehouses and both government-issued currency, for example, dollar, euro, and decentralized monetary standards, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. OMG technical analysis. The in-general negative pattern that started in November 2021 has additionally been affirmed by the 5100th SIM as going about as a unique opposition. This is a specialized pointer that shows long-haul financial backer feeling. OMG will probably keep on declining in the next few long stretches of time. Longer-term financial backers might need to consider averaging down their situation or hanging tight for a more huge dunk prior to repurchasing in. The new cost activity gives us trust that the bear market is either at an end or, at any rate, a rest from serious areas of strength for the pattern. In the H4 time period, the cost hit a help level, making a rising channel. This could show an inversion in pattern, or in any event, a time of union before the following move. Moreover, on the day-to-day time period, we can see that cost has likewise tracked down help and has started to frame an altered head and shoulders design. On the off chance that this example works out true to form, it could flag a move back up to ATHs. In this way, while there are still a few worries in the market generally speaking, signs propose that Ethereum might be prepared to in no time organize a recuperation. For those keen on financial planning, watching out for these advancements will be significant in settling on informed conclusions about when to trade ETH tokens. The market is without a doubt looking bullish right now, with the cost reliably making better upsides and worse low points inside the bounds of a clear-cut cost channel. OMG network current price. OMG Network is presently worth $1.78. OMG has moved minus 3.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $41,892,552. OMG Network is presently positioned 114 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $249,884,509. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for OMG Network, OMG, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. OMG Network, OMG, Price Prediction 2022. OMG Network, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, OMG. The OMG cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $2.67. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.49 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. OMG is supposed to have a base worth of $2.14. OMG Network, OMG, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, OMG Network OMG cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of OMG will before long outperform $4.45. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the OMG's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, OMG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.56 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.92. OMG Network, OMG, Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6.24 and OMG might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. OMG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.70 and a low of $5.35 in 2024. OMG Network, OMG, Price Prediction 2025. In the event that OMG Network effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the OMG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OMG will be green in 2025.